What is going on, guys? This is Addison with the Swear Car Company. Today I want to show you a quick tutorial on how to access all of the features when it comes to the windows on your 2021 Volkswagen Id4. Let's get right to it. So with all the windows that we have right here, we have 4 panels. Let's open them all real quick. So in order to do that, you actually go to the key remote and you see the unlock button right there. You hold that down. And what it does is it opens all of the windows. And so in addition to that, in order to close the windows, you hold the remote in your hand and you put your thumb right here on the handle and it'll close all of the windows. So how would this apply in a normal setting? Well, I'm from Arizona. It is so hot during the summertime and sometimes you don't want to go in your car and just wait for the AC to cool it down. So basically what you can do is you can open all those windows and allow for the air to get in there and be able to cool it down just a little bit and make it a little bit more bearable. All right, so in addition to all that, we go to this little feature right here, and you see right here there's this icon that says rear, and we have the power window buttons right there. If you hold this down, you can actually open the rear windows in the car, which is super neat. That is super cool, very unique to a car like this. All right, so in order to get them back up, just pull up. And something else that you can do is if you hold this down, you hear it go off twice, you hear a little like twice, and you actually press down on this button, you can open all of the windows in your Id4. All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed that little tutorial. I love this car. It is so cool, very unique, and I would definitely drive this every single day.